ESSGOO 5-inch car radio 1 DIN CarPlay, Android Auto Multimedia Player. ESSGOO 5-inch car radio features CarPlay and Android Auto MirrorLink FM radio Bluetooth 5.1, reversing camera support, steering wheels control, learning 7-color button light, can be switched at wish, USB multimedia playback, USB dedicated charging, CarPlay function. CarPlay allows you to intelligently and safely use iPhone features while driving. You can open navigation, make calls, send and receive messages, and listen to your favorite songs. Compatible with all iPhones. Connect your phone via the front USB port. Reversing video assist. When the car is in reverse gear, the full-screen reversing image is automatically switched, which is safe and worry-free. Support HD camera. Camera is optional. New upgrade Bluetooth. Bluetooth 5.1 high-speed and stable transmission. Music calls are not stuck and calls are clear and low latency. MirrorLink function. Compatible with Android and iOS system. Sync phone screen to screen. 1. Connect the iPhone to the USB cable to cast the screen. 2. When the Android phone is connected, it will prompt to install the app software on the mobile phone. After the connection is successful, touch control can be realized on both the mobile phone and the car screen. Then after connecting to Bluetooth pairing, the sound can be transmitted synchronously. Android Auto function. Connect your Android phone to the car's screen, and the screen instantly displays your Android app. You can tap the screen to get driving directions, send text messages by voice, or even make phone calls. To use Android Auto, you need a phone running Android 6.0 or higher and an active data cable connection. It can only be used when the mobile phone has a complete Google Framework service and can connect to the Google website.